Guys, in this tutorial, you will learn how you can add GitHub issues as items in Monday.com automatically. So guys, if you're using both GitHub and Monday.com to organize and manage your projects, this automation is for you. And here I'm going to show you how you can synchronize GitHub and Monday.com so that you will never miss out any important issues. So guys, I'm going to show you the steps of creating the automation workflow, and we are going to set up this without any coding super simply. And after that, you will never miss any important issue, and the GitHub and the Monday.com will work for you in synchronization. So if you're ready, let's get started. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly, and I have pasted this same link in the description as well. And here you can see the Republic Day offer is going on also. Okay, so from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So guys, you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and you have to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and you will reach here. And from here, guys, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up this automation. Here you can give a name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as GitHub to Monday.com. Monday.com. Okay. And after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So our automations are based on these two things. Trigger starts this workflow and the action is the automated consequence or the response towards the trigger. Okay. So here, guys, you have to connect with trigger application in which the trigger event is going to occur. In our use case, creating an issue in GitHub will act as a trigger for this workflow. And after that, the action would be to create the issue as an item in Monday.com. Okay. So here I am going to search for GitHub. Here it is selected. Okay. Then you have to select the trigger event, and the trigger event is issues, creation of issues. So you have to select issues option here. Right. After that, click on connect. From here, select add new connection and then click on connect with GitHub. Okay. So here it is asking to authorize the Pabbly Connect to create this connection. So you just have to click on authorize Pabbly, and here it is asking for the password of GitHub. Okay, so let me fill in the password, then we'll confirm. So I have filled my password. Now I'm clicking on confirm, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected with GitHub. And here it is showing the account owner's name of GitHub. So you have to select the account name, then and here you have to select the repository's name. So GitHub is a open, actually it's a publicly accessible platform where you can use repositories, and here you can enter your codes and find the codes and do many things. Okay, so you have to select the repository's name. Okay, then you have to click on save and send test request button to create a connection with GitHub. So once it will be connected with GitHub, it will show you a sample response here. So you just have to wait for a while, for a few seconds, and you will see some kind of this kind of response here. Okay, so we have received the response. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on a recapture webhook response button. Okay, and it will, and from here click on yes, and it will start showing waiting for response again. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now we are going to create a test or a sample issue in this repository, and the response or the data of that issue will be fetched here in this response section, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward in this automation. So I'm going to my GitHub account. Here we have this new issue button. So I'm under connect app repository. Okay, this was the same I have selected here, right? And here I'm going to click on new issue. Here I'm giving the title as new issue for Monday.com. So this is just a sample issue we are creating. So we are trying to make a connection. I'm just typing this here to make a connection with monday.com. Okay, this is a small description I have provided here, or a comment. Okay, and here I'm clicking on submit new issue button, and this issue is now submitted, you can see. Okay, let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured of this issue or not. And here you can see, guys, we got the data captured, and here it is showing you all the avatar links and the URLs and the the things that the GitHub has is showing up here. And here you will also find the body label. Let me show you, in which you will get the title and the body label, in which you get the issues title and the thing that I have typed under the description. Okay, let me show you. You just have to scroll down here a bit, and here you can see, guys, this is the issue title, new issue for monday.com. Okay, the state of the issue is open, and when you scroll down a little more, you will find the body label as well. And here is the body label. We are trying to make a connection with monday.com. Okay, so that's how you can capture the data of the issues. Now it is time to create an item for this issue in monday.com. For that, you just have to select monday.com in this action step like this. Okay, then you have to select the action event as create item, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection. And here it is asking for the API token of monday.com, and you will get this token from the admin section of monday.com. There you will find the version 2 API token. Let me show you directly. You can follow these steps written here. This is my monday.com. Okay, here is my profile icon on the bottom left hand side. Just click on it. From here you will find this administration option. Click on it. Under administration, here is the API tab. Click on it, and this is the version 2 API key. You just have to copy it and you have to paste it here, and then click on save, and you will be connected with monday.com. All right, so we are getting connected, right? And here it is asking for the board. So in monday.com, you have already know, if you're using it, that you have you can create boards in monday.com. Okay, so you just have to select the board's name. I'm selecting this first board as the name, and under the boards you can group the items in groups. Okay, so I'm selecting this group here. You can, let me show you actually the groups. So you can see this is my first board, and this is the group. This is also a group. So let me select this one, next month group. Okay, and then it will show you some fields in which you have to map the data to create an item, like the item's name, the name of any person, the person's ID, the team's ID, the status, and all the things. And these are not compulsory fields, so let us just map a few and create an item first. So here in the item name, I'm going to use the title label of the issue. So I'm mapping the title label. Here you can see, guys, as I'm clicking here, the previous step or the trigger step is appearing in the drop down. And when I'm clicking here, it is showing me the same data that I have received here in this response. So to map the labels here, you just have to click here, and from this previous step, you can search for your labels. I'm selecting title label. Here it is, map it. Okay. For the name, I'm going to map the name of the user. So you can use this login name, okay, in the name field. And in this item name field, I'm going to also insert the description of the issue as well. So you'll find in the body field. Okay, I'm placing both of the things here only, and I'm leaving these things blank. These are not compulsory things. I'm just setting up this automation. I'm showing you the demo. If you have these things, you can customize this automation according to your needs as well. Okay. And by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, you can check your connection with monday.com and see how the item is being created here. So let me show you. Here you can see right now we do not have any items here in this next month group. Let me click on Save and Send Test Request, and we will see if the item is going to create or not. Here you can see we have received this response, and here you can see we got a new item created with the same name and the description that I have filled. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. And we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, whenever you raise an issue in GitHub, the item will be created in a group in monday.com automatically, and this workflow is going to run in the background. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.